I don't know if you can see it, but there's a elbow in the upper right hand corner of the screen, a plastic elbow. One end of it hooks up to a hose that goes into the top of the engine. The bottom end of the hose terminates right there, as you see it in the middle of the screen. And whenever you start up the engine, it makes a whining noise, kind of a whistle. And then when you turn the engine off, the whistle or whine continues on for a second and goes up high pitch and shuts off. If you pull on this hose, it'll stop the whining, or pinch it off, it'll stop it. I'm pushing off that elbow to make it start and stop. Just pushing the elbow so it kind of puts a kink in the hose. And then when I turn off the engine,